How to listen to your emails on Microsoft Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Microsoft Outlook. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture from here, and now go down and click on this little play icon. Click on it and click try now, easy and fast. As you can see, now click got it and start listening to your emails easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.